Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disable email notifications from Zoom. If you're tired of getting constant email alerts every time someone joins a meeting or a session gets cancelled, this quick guide will help you turn those notifications off and keep your inbox cleaner. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to zoom.us. Once you're on the Zoom homepage, you'll need to sign into your account if you haven't already. This is where you'll access all the settings and configurations for your Zoom profile. After signing in, look over to the left sidebar of your screen. Here you'll find several navigation options. Click on My Account. This section is your control center for managing everything related to your Zoom profile. From here, select Settings. The Settings menu is where you'll find all the customization options that let you tailor Zoom to work exactly how you want it to. Now that you're in the settings area, focus on the left panel where you'll see various categories. Click on Meeting. This will open up all the meeting-related settings and preferences. Within this section, you need to locate and click on Email Notification. This is the specific area where Zoom manages all the automated emails it sends you about meeting activities. Here's where you take control. You'll see a list of different notification types, each with a toggle switch next to it. These switches determine which activities trigger an email to your inbox. To disable any unwanted notifications, simply toggle off the switch next to each one. For example, you might want to turn off when attendees join before host if you find those alerts unnecessary. Similarly, you can toggle off when a meeting is cancelled if you don't need email reminders for cancellations. Go through the list and turn off any notifications that don't serve you. Each time you toggle a switch off, that particular notification will stop being sent to your email. This gives you complete control over which Zoom activities deserve your attention via email and which ones don't. You can always come back to this section later if you change your mind about any notification preferences. And that's it. You've successfully disabled those unwanted email notifications from Zoom, giving you a cleaner, more manageable inbox. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.